Start. Namaste and Salam Alaikum. I'm very proud to be presenting this presentation. My name is Raghunandan Jagdish. You can call me Raghu. I'm the MD and CEO of Nandan GSE Private Limited. And I thank the dignitaries from the Indian as well as the UAE side who are gracing us with this presence. In particular, His Excellency, the ambassadors of both the countries, the MOD officials, as well as SIDM and CII, and of course, you industry peers. I'm especially proud to state that among all the big boys, we, Nandan GSE, are the only MSMEs in the fray who are given this opportunity of presenting. So we are very well honored and want to take it forward. This is a little presentation we are putting up about the Make in India initiatives and specifically about defense applications of Nandan GSE. My father, Mr. J.C. Kumar, started the company way back in 1991, and from there we've grown into a team of 150 passionate individuals, and we are doing defense systems, different kind of projects in aviation, defense, car parking, material handling, and the different aspects. This began way back in 1991 in the commercial capital of India, that is Mumbai. And from here, which began as one man's dream, that is Mr. J.C. Kumar, who's still active as a chairman in the company, we've grown into a team of 150 passionate individuals and keeping on growing. We do solutions for aviation, plant handling, for optimizing productivity, aerospace and defense solutions, which are bespoke in nature, different kinds of innovative car parking, as well as truck loading and unloading. So the common theme in all this is, of course, it's got to do with optimizing your productivity. We do lifting and handling systems that go across a wide range of industry, and we are kind of industry agnostic is the reason why we are keeping on continuously growing regardless of any kind of market scenarios. We are a nimble and agile organization, so we are able to go with the times. We have worked with the who's who of all kinds of industries in India, be it big petro as well as automotive, your theme parks, gas logistics, logistic companies, food, flight kitchens, airlines, you name it, we are all there. We've done work with them. Asia, Africa, and Middle East, these are the three primary focus markets for us. We are proud to specially state that we've already done work with the Army, Air Force, Navy, the DRDOs, the PSUs, as well as the private defense organizations. What you see here is a cumulative list of clients we've done work with. We come under the Make in India scheme, so anything that you need for defense offset obligations, we are there available for you. So why should you come to Nandan GSE? I put in 10 points. We have, of course, locational advantage of being in India, and Mumbai is good because India is by and large a neutral country. We are able to work across multiple, geographies. We have good freight lines set up with other countries. We already have a distribution set up all around India. So for you to get your products, for us to deliver and service becomes easier. We are definitely connected with one of the busiest shipping routes. The Gulf is like 3 days away, Europe is about 10 days away, and Africa is about 15 days away. So we are within shipping distance of bulk of our target market segments. We already have a service infrastructure in place where our team is in place. Our quality is kind of unparalleled. We are ISO 9001, 14, and 45,000, as well as we are now working towards an AS 9100D certification. We come under the Make in India, so all the schemes and benefits that the government gives, we qualify for those. You will lead to a faster ROI, primarily because your IP is protected. The MOUs we can sign on will definitely protect you as well as take it forward, and we have an English speaking workforce. So in short, this is the gist of why you should come here. So this presentation is specifically about showcasing some bit of our capabilities that we have in place. We are looking to tie up with the Make in India opportunities with countries abroad. UAE being one of our focus and friendly countries, brothers in arms, we might say. We definitely feel that this is the right time to get together the capital of UAE and the intellectual and engineering prowess of India to take it forward to the next level. We can definitely conquer the world without shooting a bullet in a way. So we also help larger defense companies with smaller projects within their own subsystems to make these subsystems to make deliveries better. That's how we've been able to work with the L&Ts, the Tatas, as well as the different PSUs around, and we are with our own heads high. We both work design to order as well as design to print. I mean manufacture to print. Both of them are possible with Nandan. So some of the stuff that we've done is we've done mill grade workshop vans. This is recently delivered to BrahMos, state-of-the-art product, which is able to give fully functional, already with all kinds, close to about 300 odd tools fixed inside. We've done racking systems for armaments weighing up to 1.5 tons. So this is already running for the last 3 years. We've done armored transporters to carry critical components. These are made to NIJ level 3. So whatever products you see are designed and manufactured by Nandan. Scissor lifts mounted on trucks for loading, unloading into aircrafts. Truck mounted cranes for moving articles around. So this, we are again happy to state that this has now come into the restricted zone where imports of these items will not be allowed for the MOD as well as PSUs. So Make in India solution is what it is. These are Nandan cranes that we supply. Tow tugs that can pull aircrafts, battery operated in nature. We have different kinds of load carriers. Mobile air traffic control has been already exported to Indonesia. This is when it's collapsed, it's just small enough to get into a container or can be shipped by air by a Hercules or can be towed around as a trailer, self-contained with the generator, UPS and stuff. So it can, within 30 minutes, it can be deployed to run as a full-fledged airport and maintain as many as 20 landings per hour. We've done pilot rescue vehicles, electric vehicles. These are bespoke solutions. While we are not in the bus industry, but anything that needs to be off-road or bespoke with lithium batteries can be made. Uh, Tugs to pull up to 25 tons have been delivered. These are truck-mounted knuckle boom cranes, which now are made in India. You can pull up to 5 ton of articles and place it on the truck itself and move it out, and the other time it folds. Can be retrofitted on even the old trucks. So it's a great opportunity to fit this up. You don't need a Hydra or crane. In addition to this is one of our success stories of the Make in India initiative, maybe even before the term Make in India was coined. This is in association with the Safran Group. We made a work platform for the aircraft engine testing cell at Nagpur. And this has been made to ATEX rated standards. And the first time we met the customer was actually at FAT. So this is an original Nandan design, and we were able to deliver it to their impeccable standards. These are some electric vehicles that are autonomous in nature with the servo-controlled manipulator arm, and it's got its own autonomous navigation capabilities, fully deployed already right now. Different kinds of access platforms. This is a bridge inspection unit. Again, shows the ingenuity with which we work. We believe in a principle which says if somebody offers you an opportunity you know nothing about, first say yes and then find ways to do it. In about 7 months, we were able to deliver this unit to the client where you can work underneath a bridge and staying on this file being fully roadworthy. This has been delivered across and used to great impact in India. Different kinds of munition loaders, storage carousels for your space, different kinds of scissor lifts, disinfectant robots, and we have a startup called Taurus Robotics, which makes electric motors, special axial flux electric motors for mobility equipment. We also designed our own UGVs, which we call Kalam, and another one called Bose, which can be used on platform as heavy as 3 tons of payload on it. Can be used for surveillance or combat, or can even be made amphibious and land-based. So these are different kinds of tactile UGVs. We can work with you for any kinds of scissor lifts, right from 500 kgs up to 100 tons. We make bespoke lifts for lifting up. The highest we've done is 17 meters and the largest we've done is 40 tons. So in between that, anything can be done. These are rotation carousel systems used in car parking and other places. Truck mounted man lifts for reaching heights, used as a surveillance platform, used for crowd control maybe. We've also done simulator platforms which are used in theme parks. AdLabs Imagica in Mumbai has fitted such a ride which can take 100 people up into the air and give them a feeling as if they're gliding over India. At Nandan, we are considered specialists in a concept called the vertical factory. We have a lot of patents and papers we published about this too. The idea is that how do we make ergonomics inbuilt into your organization so that right from loading and unloading of trucks to carrying your material around, right from loading and unloading of trucks, where you're able to do things in a horizontal manner and in a safe manner without any inclinations. You're able to move them around using a combination of pallet trucks, battery operated stackers, use different kinds of feeding systems, which are a combination of automation as well as manual intervention. There's a lot of sensors, IoT in place, like what you see out here. There is a lot of vision-based systems. Even human access is very, ergonomically designed. There are lifts which are made so that you can go between levels, safety inbuilt into place. So once it is going into the level, you can have a combination of different sensors going in. There are carousel rotating systems, turntables. So all these are just to give you a glimpse of what can be done in terms of making your factory vertical so that you're able to then utilize your real estate in a much better manner and basically earn better profits. That's the idea. So reiterating back again, we are a growing company. We're aggressively looking. We have a combination of good engineering background where designing is done in-house, fabrication is spot on and up to world standards. And taking it forward, we are looking to partner with you and taking you to the next step of saving money and more importantly giving value, because we believe price is what you pay and value is what you get, and we at Nandan are proud to let you know that we will always give you the right value. You can connect with us at sales@nandan.co.in, and that's the mobile, WhatsApp, whatever. You can do this. My team will immediately get in touch with you and help you in the best way possible. This is Raghu once again signing off. Have a great day. See you, Habibi.